Akiaria hindi ya uruguria wa mubango uyu munini wa gavana wa Naikuru Kurugama ugite ruhonge rwa mbeu njithi rugukorwo rukigayanio maita meri niguo gutigirira matita ma mbeu njithi undu umwe na mawoni ni matangikirwo uria kwagiriire.
Reorganization of the larger Department of Gender and Youth and Education so that we create the Department of Youth, which will specifically be looking at the problems our youths are engaged. In collaboration also with other departments, we trained about 75 youths in Naivasha on ILO PBDP program.
Oho Korira ugite thirikari ya kaunti ni ruguritie mubango wa gukuruhania mbeu njithi kothi-ini cia moko na guikia ritana kuri aria mateyandikithitie kwiyandikithia kugerera mubango wa NARGIP na kwigacirithia urimi-ini.
Nakuru County Stakeholders Forum that led to the mapping of the stakeholders to enhance coordination and mainstreaming of youth activities was also held in this particular county.
Kuringana na Korir, tauni cia Naivasha, Kuresoi na Njoro nicio ciandikithitie namba nene ya mbeu njithi aria magunekite na mubango uyu.
The support target youths, agribusiness in some few regions as a startup in Naivasha, in Molo, in Kuresoi North, in Njoro, Bahati sub-county.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa county commissioner wa Naikuru ya Irathiro Johnson Mwirigi ni atugiritie mubango uyu guku akiuga ciiko cia wikinaĩ ni nyihite gitumi ari mbeu njithi gukuruhanio mibango-ini teno.
Tuko na 14,800 youth kazi mtaani na tumekuja kuona ya kwamba we engage them, maneno ya usalama imeenda chini kabisa. So ni kusema they are just engaged na pengine na uhalifu as a protest. Kwa sababu wakati tumeengage them, maneno ya usalama imetulia.
Mubango uyu ni ukuguna mbeu njithi na njira nene muno makiria undu umwe na kurituhia mihuko yao. Hado-ini ha Kameme TV ritorekwa ni wa Mbeu wa Maina.